Assalamu alaikum. I'm Tawfiqul Islam Imon.
Walaikum assalam. I'm Saidul Islam. Thank you, Tawfiqul Islam. Imon. Imon, how many types of coffee?
There are 4 types of coffee: Arabica, Robusta, Librica, Excelsa.
What is an espresso?
Espresso, one kind of strong black coffee, which make high pressure hot water, finely ground in coffee beans add together.
How to make high quality coffee?
The types of coffee we are using: coffee particle size, water temperature, coffee to water ratio, and contact time.
Please, can you tell me some coffee name?
Espresso, doppio, macchiato, noiste, cortado, cappuccino, latte, coffee affogato, B60, ice B60.
Okay. What is the between difference cappuccino and latte?
Cappuccino more foam, latte less foam.
Yes. Okay. How to make B60?
20 gram coffee beans and 300 hot water.
How to make espresso macchiato?
Single shot espresso and 2 teaspoon milk foam.
Coffee of the day?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you make one espresso.
Yes.
Make one espresso macchiato. Make one hot B60 and make some latte art with coffee.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.